Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Yukon Denali in a Glacier White Tricoat. This one is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our black interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides, with our Denali stitching along the middle. And of course, if you follow our stitching all the way down to the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls. Up top we do have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also do have our climate controls here along the bottom, and further down you'll find our wireless charging pad to go alongside our cup holders here in the middle and additional storage inside the middle console. Making our way through the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks and our seat memory settings, and over here you'll find our park brake, our park sensors, cameras, as well as our drive modes and automatic high beam controls. Taking a look up in the windshield, you'll find our heads-up display, and back down the steering wheel here on the right hand side you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls, heated steering wheel controls, and our menu selector here in the middle. On the left hand side you'll find our cruise control settings and our forward collision alert. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera. As well as this vehicle is a push-to-start ignition, it does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Up top we have our seat controls as well as our power controls for our adjustable middle console. And last but not least, our power controls for a full panoramic sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior, leather heated seats on both sides with adjustable armrests as well. In the middle you'll find our climate controls to go alongside our heated seat controls, our USB-C charge ports, and our AC outlet down below. Up top we have cup holders, as well as behind each front seat there's cubbies with additional storage. We also have our levers here. One moves the seat forward and back, the other one reclines and brings it down. In the back we have plenty of space and storage. Each back seat does come equipped with a cup holder and a USB-C charge port on each side as well. Checking out the exterior here on our Yukon, of course we have our classic Denali chrome grille with our GMC badge in the middle, front facing camera, LED headlights and fog lamps along the side, paint protection along the front as well, and down below you'll find our Bridgestone tires. Up top we have our white and black accented power side mirrors with the blinkers integrated along the side, camera along the bottom, chrome accents along our windows, our roof rails, and our handles with keyless entry like I mentioned earlier. Automatic running boards do deploy when doors are open. Tint in the rear window, and making our way all the way to the back you'll find our chrome accented rear bumper with our chrome quad exhaust. Popping open the trunk here automatically pops open with a push of a button. You can also control it from your keys as well. Inside we have hooks to strap anything you might need, our power controls for our seats, as well as additional storage here down below. And that is our 2026 GMC Yukon Denali in a Glacier White Tricoat. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.